In this video, I'll show you how to disable quick settings on the lock screen of your Samsung phone. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the quick settings panel. From there, look for the gear icon at the top right corner and tap on it. This will take you into the device's settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and look for an option labeled Lock Screen and AOD. Tap on it to proceed. Next, you will see an option called Secure Lock Settings within this section. Tap on it, and you will be prompted to enter your current PIN or pattern for verification. After entering your PIN or pattern, a new set of options will appear. Look for the Lock Network and Security setting. Toggle on the switch next to this option. With this setting enabled, whenever you lock your device and try accessing quick settings again, you will now need to unlock your phone first, whether it's via your PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face recognition. And that's it. Now, you've successfully disabled the quick settings access on the lock screen.